guys, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking to clarify, exfoliate, brighten, and instantly plump your skin, check out this Good Genes by Sunday Riley. I love everything about this product. I've noticed a huge difference on my skin. It looks more even. I've seen how it's been diminishing the dark spots. And I really appreciate that this has ingredients that are super beneficial for my skin. The arnica gives it that soothing feeling. The lactic acid allows it to exfoliate and it helps diminish the dark spots. Lemongrass will refreshen your skin. And I love the licorice. It helps improve skin radiance with naturally brightening properties. I feel my skin so glowy, so hydrated. I've been loving Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This lactic acid has worked wonderful. This is now part of my skincare routine. I've noticed a difference. I also like that it's lightweight and it's scent-free. I highly recommend this product, and that is my point of view.